Hello everyone, welcome to Chaudhary Data World channel. Today I am here with a new video on this fill option. Till now I have covered up all these things. You can check out those videos as well. So let's get started with this fill option in this video. So basically it is having two sub options, that is down and up and fill down. I will be explaining you one by one. So let's take up the example of fill up right now. So we are having a data set in which it is basically order ID, it is written over in this column, and this country, basically what the scenario is, this India, it is here. So India, you can uh, see that these things are null and here it is India. Again these things are null and here it is Canada. So if you want to have this India filled up in all these order ID, basically this scenario is very common in IT solutions, that the data set come into this format, actually that these particular orders, as you can see that there is a country code actually written over here, IN. So all these data, whatever in this left column, that is order ID column, it is here, it belongs to India, as it is having IN into the code included in this order ID. And with the business requirement also, you can understand that these things, these nulls to be filled up with this India. Again these things CA, it is here written over here, so all these CA things should be Canada. So basically the scenario, if we will filter it out and understand what it is exactly telling, you can understand it like that whatever before, whatever rows coming before this India to be filled out with India, whatever rows coming before Canada should be filled with Canada. So like this way it can be repeated. So I have just taken this example data set. It's not any exact practical data set, but just for demonstration I have taken it up. So let's apply this functionality over this one. So let me first just this is the first row, and let me make it a header as well first. So I will click on use first row as header, so that order ID should be shifted as header and country should be shifted as header. Now we will select this particular column, we'll go to transform. Here we can see fill up and down option. If we will click on fill up, you can see that whatever IN code is, it is in order ID, all those rows has been filled up with India. Again for that similar condition for Canada, USA, Japan, everything has been filled up. There is no null right now. So that's basic scenario. And in fill down, it's just opposite of it. What it will be having. So last time India was, means country name was at the bottom of the whole data set, but this time it is on top. You need to fill it down. So whatever down rows will be there till new occurrence occurs in this particular column, you need to fill it out with that particular value which is on the top. In this case it is India. Again for Canada, all these nulls will be filled up with Canada. So likewise, if we will select it, first let me uh, create headers by clicking over here again. Now we will select country and then transform, and you can do fill down this in this particular scenario. So when you will click on fill down, you can see that whatever the desired things were there, that this all either order ID should be filled with India, so it is filled with India now. Similarly for Canada, USA and Japan. So this is basically the scenario you can be facing in day-to-day activity. This is not very frequent thing, but yeah, it's a good option which you can explore if you are having such scenario, and you can go ahead with this particular option. So that was whole about this video. Thank you so much for watching. Like the video, subscribe to the channel if you are new, keep supporting. Thank you so much guys, see you in the next video.